In this video, we are going to discuss about time boxing process model. But before this, let us look into the definition of a process model. A process model is a structured approach that defines the phases, activities involved in creating a software system. There are several types of process models used in software development and project management. Each model provides a different framework for how a project or a process should progress from start to finish. Now coming to time boxing process model. This is a process model, which is a method used to improve productivity and manage time effectively. It's all about working within a fixed period to complete tasks rather than trying to finish a task regardless of how long it takes. In this time boxing process model, the development is done iteratively. In time boxing, each iteration is done in a time box of fixed duration. The functionalities to be developed is adjusted to fit in the duration of the time box. Now let us look into the visualizing the time boxing process. Breaking down the four key steps involved in effectively applying time boxing. The first one is tasks breakdown. The first step is to break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Each task need to be well defined and tied to a specific goal. And the next one is time box allocation. Once the tasks are defined, assign a specific time limit or a time box for each task. The key is to make sure the time box is realistic and achievable. And the next one is task execution. In this phase, focus on completing one task with the assigned time box. Avoid multitasking or switch between tasks, as this will help you maximize efficiency and maintain focus during the allotted time. The next one is evaluation and adjustment. After each time box, evaluate the progress made. If needed, adjust the subsequent time boxes based on the outcomes. If a task was completed faster than expected, you can shorten the next time box, or if more time was required, increase the allocation time for the future tasks. What's in the time box? This slide is about understanding time boxing, which is productivity technique that involves breaking down large projects into smaller. Let's go over the key points. Focus. Time boxing helps increase focus by encouraging individuals to complete tasks within a specific time period. This approach reduces distractions and helps to avoid procrastination, allowing for more concentrated work. Realistic estimation. It enables better estimation of task durations. By knowing how long certain tasks will take, you can plan more effectively, allocate resources properly, and track progress accurately. Next, flexibility. Time boxing allows for flexibility in project management. If a task takes longer than expected, adjustments can be made by scheduling additional time boxes. Next, improved time management. Overall, time boxing helps you develop valuable time management skills. It teaches how to prioritize tasks, manage time effectively, and ultimately improve productivity. In essence, time boxing is a structured method that promotes better focus, planning, and adaptability while helping you manage your time efficiently. This process model is divided into three phases. Those are requirement analysis, implementation, and deployment. Coming to requirement analysis, during this phase, the team identifies and understands the project requirements. The focus is on breaking down a larger project into smaller and well defined tasks. Each task has a clear objectives. A time box is allocated to the analysis phase itself, which encourages the team to efficiently gather all necessary requirements. And this phase ends with the prioritized list of requirements. And the next one is implementation. This is the phase where the actual work gets done, as the tasks are executed according to the requirements identified earlier. The implementation phase is broken down into multiple time boxes. For instance, development team works on specific tasks such as coding and designing. Since time boxing promotes focus and prevents overextension, work is continuously delivered and progress is made in increments. And the third and the final phase is deployment. This phase involves delivering the completed product. In time boxing, deployment may be planned for at the end of one or more time boxes, depending on the complexity of the project. If the tasks are split into small, manageable parts, deployment can happen incrementally. This allows for iterative testing, feedback, and refinement throughout the process, as deployment occurs in chunks rather than waiting for the entire project to be completed. In summary, requirement analysis defines what needs to be done. Implementation. Now, let us look into the benefits of utilizing time boxing. The first one is increased productivity. Time boxing allows you to focus on one task at a time within a set time frame. By doing so, it prevents multitasking and distractions, which leads to a significant boost in productivity. Next one is improved time management. This method helps in prioritizing tasks and managing time efficiently. It ensures that you are spending the right amount of time on each activity, allowing better control over how your day is structured. Next one is reduces stress. By giving a clear structure to your work, time boxing helps eliminate procrastination. This in turn reduces stress levels. The last one is enhanced project planning. Time boxing also improves project planning by providing a structured approach. It enables more accurate estimation of task durations and resource allocation, which is crucial for managing large projects effectively. In summary, time boxing can greatly enhance productivity, time management, reduces stress, and support better project planning. This slide focuses on limitations of time boxing. The first one is time pressure. Time boxing requires you to complete tasks within the specific time frame, which can create pressure. This pressure might result in rushing through tasks, potentially leading to overlooked details or reduced quality in the work being done. Next one is interruptions. Unplanned interruptions can disrupt the flow of work during a time box session. This can make it difficult to stick to the allocated time, and any disruptions may require additional time to get back on track. The last one is task complexity. Not all tasks are suitable for time boxing, especially complex ones that require deep thinking and extended time. These tasks might need more flexibility than a strict time limit can offer, making it harder to complete them effectively within the allocated time. In conclusion, while time boxing has several advantages, it's important to be aware of these limitations to apply it appropriately based on the task and the situation. This slide provides a conclusion of our discussion on time boxing. To summarize, time boxing is a highly effective method for managing time and improving productivity. By breaking down work into smaller, manageable chunks and assigning specific time limits to these tasks, time boxing ensures that projects are completed efficiently. This approach not only helps to maintain focus but also keep projects on track, ensuring they are completed on time and within the budget. It's a powerful tool for both individuals and teams to manage workload and ensure effective project execution. Thank you.